Today we're going to change the track rod end on a Nissan Almera. So start off by loosening the wheel nuts. Next we're going to jack up the car. Once the car's jacked up, we're going to remove the wheels the rest of the way. And then remove the wheel. So here's the track rod end. As you can see, it's deteriorated, and this is the belt we're going to undo. So we've got to undo the castle nut, and to begin with you've got this little retainer, this split pin. So just try and grab onto it a little bit. It can help if you straighten up the other end. And sometimes you can sort of push it through a little bit. That's it, like that. That's it. And that's out. Now we're going to get a 19mm socket and loosen that off. So with your 19mm, put that on there, and then we're going to loosen it off. There we go, and that's out. So next we're going to put the castle nut back on. So it's flush with the bottom of the bolt. So kind of like that. And then we can hit up from underneath with a hammer, like that. Or you can hit the side like that. So we're going to try both of those and see which one works for us. You don't want to go too hard on the bottom of it in case you end up damaging it, so we're going to try the side as well. There we go. You can see it's popped free now. So before we undo that nut, we're just going to loosen off this nut. So that's a 19mm as well. Just try and break that free. That's it. Just wind it back a few of the threads just so it can clear up the threads a little bit. That's it, and I'm just going to wind it back to basically, so tighten it up, that's tight, and then we're just going to, just a little bit, and then that way it'll give us space to remove the track rod end. So we're just going to loosen that off. And that can come out. And then we're just going to loosen this. While you're loosening it, count how many turns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that's what we're going to try and count to put the new one back on, 24. So the new one we're going to put on, it's the same, it just doesn't have a castle nut. So we're going to count 24 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that can go in place now. That's it, that goes in. Then this can be tightened, and that's still the same 19 because it's the same bolt. And the bottom is a new nut that came with it, but it's also a 19 as well. So we're going to do this one back up. And then we're going to torque that up in a minute. We're just going to tighten this back up all the way. That's it. And then we're going to torque this one up. So this nut gets torqued down to between 30 and 35 Newton meters. But even if you use a impact gun like I just did and you're not going to torque it up, check it by hand to make sure it's still tight. So once that's all done, tightened up and everything, we're going to get the wheel and put that back on. So get your wheel nuts and just start doing them up by hand. So these are 21mm. So now we're going to lower the car down and then we're going to tighten up the wheel nuts. So the wheel nuts get torqued down to between 98 and 118 Newton meters. And then you're done.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.